Welcome to Webstyle Plus. I showed you two ways to generate YouTube summary for free earlier. One way was to use YouTube summary with ChatGPT extension. It gives me this box, transcript and summary. I can expand it and it shows full transcript for the video. I can copy it and paste in ChatGPT to summarize it by using summarize keyword before this transcript. I can also click at ChatGPT icon to open transcript in ChatGPT to summarize this video. Second way was to use Edge web browser. Here I can click at Bing icon to open this sidebar, and from chat I can ask to generate video summary or generate page takeaways. Video summary will be generated by using page context. I have told you how can you enable page context for Edge web browser. I will link that video in description. In this video I want to show you another way to summarize YouTube videos. It is better and more precise. Using this method, I can click at Summarize button below video or click on Summarize this video button in front of video. It will generate exact summary of video from video transcript. It will show timestamps and parts of video that it used to generate summary from. This video was in another language. It was not in English, but the summary was generated in English language. Similarly, this video is 31 minutes long, but here we have got the summary. And if I click to expand, it shows me more related to this summary line. It is precise summary of YouTube video. Video can be smaller, long format. Summary will be generated right here. I like this one. It's free but with daily limits. Limit renews daily. I can also use Ctrl M to open dialog to use this extension. This extension allows me to use free GPT-3 and GPT-4 model daily on limited basis. Extension name is Merlin. It's available for various web browsers. Check this one out. It allows you to do many things using ChatGPT on any website. Check out my previous videos on related topics as well. I will link those in description. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.